So here, welcome back to our channel. So here we are here to present one of our video presentation. So this is our video topic: AI in medical imaging, a great opportunity. So this is our coursework. So now let's see our team members. So now we are a team of three. That is me, an MTech. I'm Sudeshna, an MTech first year student from Medical Imaging and Informatics. Kirti Sri, a sophomore from Manufacturing Science and Engineering, and Ganesh, a sophomore from Mechanical Engineering. So now let's see why this topic is vital. X-rays and other physical waves such as ultrasound can resolve diagnostic problems between 70 to 80%. Still, nearly two-thirds of the world's population has no access to diagnostic imaging. Radiologists today are under lot of pressure. It is estimated that in UK at any time there are almost 300,000 radiographs, which is a lot, and they are waiting over 30 days to be read by a single radiologist. So it is huge. So now several deadly diseases are treatable when diagnosed early. So we always say that if it is diagnosed, if any disease is diagnosed early, it can be treated. But fatal things happen if we don't diagnose it at the early stage. However, inaccurate diagnosis by humans and delay lead to worsening of health. Time is critical. Even a delay of single few seconds is matter of life and death. And so this is extremely important thing and we should not neglect this. Poor efficiency in the analysis is significant drawbacks leading to poor healthcare conditions. What can AI do? AI has the potential to enable anyone with smartphones to access to healthcare. AI will help increase access to care in places where radiologists are inaccessible. Using AI will help to improve workflow and efficiency. Using AI will again reduce delays in identifying and acting on abnormal medical images. Human pathologists may miss some part, like 62% of the time, in metastasis, but AI algorithms evaluate exhaustively, resulting in extremely high accuracy. So AI algorithms are almost correct all the time. They have high rate of accuracy unlike human eyes. Instead, AI may find multiple applications from image acquisition and processing to aided reporting, follow-up planning, data storage, data mining, and many others. So there are more to this list. Due to this wide range of application, AI is expected to impact radiologists' daily life massively. So there is a huge chance of this AI is affecting a particular radiologist's day-to-day life. So now let's see few definitions of AI, ML and DL. So AI is artificial intelligence, as we all know, we are talking about that only here. It's a simulation of human intelligence processed by machines, especially computer systems. Specific application of AI include expert systems, natural language processing, speech recognition and machine vision. So now let's talk about ML. So ML is machine learning, as you all know, is a subset of artificial intelligence that allows software applications to become more accurate at predicting outcomes without being explicitly programmed to do so. Machine learning algorithms use historical data as input to predict new output values. Machine learning focuses on the development of computer programs that can access data and use it to learn for themselves. Now let's see DL. DL is abbreviation of deep learning. It is a subfield of machine learning. It's again like a Venn diagram structure we are looking at here. Artificial intelligence, then inside of it machine learning, then lastly deep learning. So deep learning is a subset of machine learning concerned with algorithms inspired by the data structure and by the structure, functions of the brain cells called artificial neural networks. It is artificial neural networks with representation learning. Learning can be supervised, semi-supervised or unsupervised. So now Kirti will take it from here.
there is always craze to find out what is happening at Google, what is happening at Microsoft, what they are doing, right? So how did these tech giants react at the idea of AI in applications in medical imaging? So these tech giants such as Google, Apple, IBM, Microsoft, all of them show intense satisfaction with AI helped medical imaging. For the time being, however, most of them are supporting other AI solutions. For example, Google has collaborated with Zebra Medical Imaging, Change Healthcare, and Canton Systems, organizations associated with AI utilization in clinical imaging. Google is additionally offering Google Cloud as a piece of information stockpiling and machine learning improvement stages to many accomplices. Microsoft, in the meantime, its AI platform has made interest in its stage for designers with the end goal of further developing clinical imaging diagnostics. Amazon presently offers an AI based help that quickly de-distinguishes medical images. So let's look at a few examples of AI applications in medical imaging. There has been a clear advancement in the utilization of artificial intelligence in various imaging modalities and diverse helpful regions. For instance, one review this year showed artificial intelligence had the option to recognize 4 unique illnesses in chest radiographs. In radiology, AI assists in multiple processes including scheduling patients, billing, optimizing staffing, creating protocols, assessing image quality, reducing radiation dose, and interpreting images. This is a significant advancement given the high predominance of these infections and AI's capability to assist radiologists with recognizing and focusing on patients with the most severe and complex cases. According to a paper published in the American Journal of Surgical Pathology, Google's AI-powered lymph node assistant LYNA, Lina, can detect breast cancer metastasis with 99% accuracy. The concentrate additionally exhibited AI's viability as a second per user related to radiologist by, for instance, upgrading SAW confinement. So how is the market for AI in medical imaging? This is cited from the Journal of the American College of Radiology. An Intelligent Future for Medical Imaging, a market outlook on the artificial intelligence for medical imaging. In that survey responses give the survey responses give clues as how the future market for AI in medical imaging will unfold. We will see 3 different stages of development or market horizons. 3 horizons. So, in today's market, horizon 1, dozens of companies offer AI applications for medical imaging, although none do so at scale. This fragmentation delays market development. A comprehensive solution which addresses multiple modalities in multiple subspecialties and increases efficiencies, example faster scanning, is not currently offered. Horizon 2. Investments in AI related medical imaging will be still growing fast. Still, a few companies will begin to emerge as leaders, differentiating themselves from the competition with more accurate and often comprehensive solutions and winning significant market share. In the third horizon, the market for AI medical imaging will be stable and adoption will have grown exponentially. Some smaller companies will have formed partnerships with larger ones or have been acquired. Others will have fallen by the wayside.
Is why radiologists are slow to adapt AI? Because AI will most likely affect radiology by more rapidly than other clinical fields. This is the reason uneasiness is there among radiologists to adapt AI. And a radiologist need not to know a lot of concepts of AI or ML. Just some basic concepts of AI or ML will be sufficient. Just some terminologies used by the data scientists. And the recent advances in artificial intelligence have led to specialization that AI might be one day replace human radiologists. And also researchers have developed deep learning neural networks that can identify pathologies in radiological images such as bone fractures and potential cancerous lesions, in some cases more reliably than an average radiologist. And the company Neurology Networks created by the Elon Musk is also working on this. And now let us discuss why AI is great opportunity to radiology. Because the amount of data to be processed is increasing rapidly. So the quicker and standardized detection of image findings can be shortened repeating time and also create automated sections of reports. And also AI can influence how radiologists interpret images from inference to merely detection and description. We can say that AI has enhanced the reproducibility of technical protocols like improving quality of the images, decreasing scan time of an array, etc. And moreover, the recently developed DL networks have led to more robust models of radionics, which is an emerging field that deals with the high throughput extraction of regular features from radiological images. Indeed, data derived from radiological investigations such as intensity, shape, texture, wavelength, etc. can be extracted from medical images and extracted by or integrated into ML approaches, like providing valuable information for predicting treatment response, differentiating benign and malignant tumors, and assessing cancer genetics in many cancer types. And the structured AI reporting represents a domain where AI may have a significant impact, helping radiologists use relevant data for diagnosis and presenting it in a concise format. And finally, the conclusion for this project is that AI is said to significantly impact how radiologists work, helping them speed up scan time, make more accurate diagnosis, and ease their workload. Moreover, it has a considerable impact on the medical imaging market as well. The result is likely to be better patient outcomes. How quickly the market develops depends partly on overcoming the skepticism that some radiologists feel about the technology capabilities. And finally, the slide is here are the references we have used in this project. And the links for this and the links are given in the description. So please go through it. And thank you for giving this opportunity for us.